U.S. tariffs just reopened the door to a Bank of Canada rate cut. Toronto home prices rose for the first time in 17 months, and GTA condo sales climbed while new construction has nearly disappeared. Here's your Mortgage Minute for July 24th. First, the U.S. has just announced a 50% tariff on a wide range of Canadian goods starting on August 19th. That comes right after a cooler June inflation report where core inflation fell to its lowest level in nearly 6 years. Economists at BMO say that while the Bank of Canada is on hold for now, if trade tensions with the U.S. keep escalating, it could reopen the door to a rate cut later this year. On the fixed side, the story is different. The 5-year government bond yield, which is what lenders use to price their fixed-rate mortgages, has climbed from just under 3% a month ago to just over 3.2% today. And fixed-rate pricing is following it up. Second, the index that tracks home prices across the Greater Toronto Area rose month over month for the first time in more than a year, as stabilizing inventory eases seller competition. That's a bright spot, but it's happening against a weaker national picture. The Canadian Mortgage and Housing Corporation, CMHC, has just cut its forecast for home sales and prices across the country this year and specifically flagged Ontario and BC as facing the heaviest headwinds. Third, new condo sales in the GTA rose 52% year over year. That's the first annual gain in almost 3 years. But nearly all of that came from completed units already sitting on the market. Pre-construction sales fell 80%, and new condo construction starts dropped to their lowest level in years. Industry analysts are calling it the start of the steepest supply decline the condo market has ever seen, which means today's shortage of new construction could turn into a shortage of finished condos 2 or 3 years from now, right as demand starts to recover. So variable rate holders, a rate cut may be back in play if trade tensions with the U.S. keep escalating. It's worth watching over the next few months. Those looking for or renewing a fixed rate, bond yields have been moving up on global volatility over the past couple of months, so fixed pricing is trending higher, not lower. If you have any questions about how this affects you or your plans, call me or text me 249-480-1249 or visit me at the website HumberBayMortgages.ca. Have an excellent weekend.